Hey everybody, this is Brad with wildlifefarming.com, up here with Robbie
Pruitt with Antler King Trophy Products.
We're up here in a south central Iowa farm today. We're going to do some spring food plotting. We're going to put some visual barriers for some field edges. So we're doing a joint project with Antler King, and we're going to do some spring food plots as well. We're going to plant it all with our Genesis drill. And we've got a lot of great product here we're going to put in the ground, so we're excited to get started for you. One of the great things about the drill is we don't have to come in and till up the ground and do a whole lot of prep work. We're just going to go right out into the field. We're going to drill that seed right into the ground, and then the landowner can come back, spray some Max or some kind of herbicide to kill whatever vegetation is there after we put the seed in the ground. Robbie?
Well, today we're going to start off with our barricade blend. There's a lot of hype these days with the shield and beddings, getting in and out of your tree stand safely without being detected. So we're looking at putting in quite a bit of our barricade here with the Genesis and see how it works out.
So how many pounds to the acre and how deep do you want that seed in the ground?
You're looking at 12 pounds per acre, and you're looking that 1/2 to 3/4 right there. You don't want to go any more than 3/4 of an inch.
Perfect, so we can achieve that. We can adjust this drill to whatever application you want, pounds per acre. And then we have some adjustment on the press wheels, which adjusts our seed depth. So we'll calibrate the drill here in the shop where it's easy and comfortable. And then when we get to the field, we'll make a little pass, see where the seed's at in the ground, and then we'll come back, readjust for our proper depth, and we're good to go. And we'll get all your Antler King products in the ground and growing.
That sounds great. Looking forward to it.